Hi guys, so today we'll learn how to create this custom alert with some animations. If you have any question, let me know in a comment and have a nice day. I have here my variables and state to make this reusable, and I have the images. For the error success, you can create these images from if it's simple. For example, if you have this one, you can change the color with your copy image and oh yeah, wait a second. How size you want, how big, copy, paste, and you have your image. Let's start with creating the bottom gradient. As you see here, you have here the green one. Let's create this spacer to push it all to the bottom. Need the Z stack. Rectangle. Corner. I'll just copy this because I need it. And the frame height 300. Delete this. Add ignore save area to push it all to the bottom. And for style, use linear gradient, the gradient colors. I do clear, another one clear, gradient color to the top and bottom. I need an opacity 0.4. Another Z stack. Need the shadow. Dot opacity 0.01. 20 0 another shadow will be 1 3. Okay, you need to give this one frame height 280. Dot padding horizontal, do it 10. I need the V stack because now I want to add the image success and the message. Say image icon. I want to make this white. Dot foreground color style dot white. And I need a text. Text. Make it bold. Dot font. System size 30. Text. Details. Dot opacity 0.5. I want to make spacing between them 20. We have here on the icon animation the small circles. So to create this, I do the image inside the Z stack. circle dot strike line with 2, and the color will be circle color, and the frame 105 scale effect, animation circle if it's true will be 1.3, get bigger 30%, else 0.90, and then opacity animation circle will be 0, else 1, and animation dot easing out 2 seconds, delay 1 second, and repeat forever, false, animation circle. I need one more to delay 0.5 second, and on appear animation circle dot toggle. Let's make this an error, this one red. So on the circle I have added the strike line with the 2, and we pass in the color. I want when is animation circle is true will be bigger by 30%, else smaller 10%. After that will disappear, as you see now, get bigger and disappear, and this is the animation, will take 2 seconds, delay 1 second, and I want to repeat this over and over. And you can't change the animation if do this true. You will have different animation. You see, let's get back. Let's make it false. So now, as you see in finishing up, when you tap on the success will come from the bottom. After 2 or 3 seconds will go back to the bottom. So on the Z stack, I will do an offset and a Y. If show is true will be negative 30, else 300 to the bottom. We need to do the same for the linear gradient. Will be 0, else 300. On the Z stack, I want to track the show changes. So I do on change show if a new value, if show true, I want to dispatch queue dot main dot isn't after dot now plus 4 seconds. I want show be false when add in with animation. So every time something happened to the show, if show is true after 4 seconds, will show be false. Now is everything ready to use? Let's create home view. Delete this. And here pass in the home view. Here I need the state one for the success, error warning, so on. This tag and the haystack for the buttons. Button. Error. Show. Dot toggle. We do inside the animation. And here we do content view. We pass in the show. We don't need this. Icon. Error. Text. Error. Color red. This one also red. Details. We don't need this also. Do error. We have it. Let's do 2 more. And the warning. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comment, and have a nice day.